I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited, I could burst.
Surprise! Now it's time for the real show.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Spirit Halloween 2026 Sneak Peeks. And in this episode, I will be talking about Crackles. Now, I'm just going to get this out of the way, just now. I have to say this. Crackles is my favorite. Crackles is my favorite animatronic from the Spirit Halloween 2026 animatronic lineup so far from what we've seen. I really like this. I think this is literally one of the most unique clown animatronics ever, let alone from Spirit Halloween. I am a fan of Crackles so much, and I have to get this out of the way too. I already ordered Crackles. I did order Crackles, so he will be arriving at my house pretty soon. So expect the demo and review to come out on my channel of him very soon, because, oh my god, I really love Crackles. I think he is a great clown. So let's get into the details so far. So first, obviously he's made by SVI. When I first saw this guy leaked back in December, I was so excited, and I thought for sure he was going to be made by Crazy Create. But luckily not. Luckily he's actually made by SVI. And the reason why I'm glad he's made by SVI instead of Crazy Create is because, yes, Crazy Create is a good company, but they tend to have some really difficult setups. So I'm really glad he's made by SVI. First of all, his price tag is $249.99, which is just really good for, what you're getting here. Such a unique clown. And let's get into the details for Crackles. So he is literally supposed to be this decaying vintage clown. This decaying vintage friendly clown. And first of all, even though he's supposed to look friendly on the outside, I still think he looks pretty dang creepy on the outside with his smiley happy face. I still think he looks pretty creepy because of all the crackles, all the cracks, in his face. It just looks really cool. I love his outfit, and I love how they added blood to him. That's amazing. That's always a plus. His outfit also looks a bit dirty too, which is really cool. He just has some really vintage clown vibes, and I'm really loving it. His face sculpt is amazing on the outside. His hair is pretty good as well. Obviously, I've seen unboxings of him, so I'm going to have to, go through a bit of trouble when I get him to style his hair, but it'll be fine. But yeah, no, I totally like I love the design of Crackles. He looks so freaking cool. But his design is good enough, right? Well, let's get to his animation. His animation, he comes with 3 animations. His head turns from side to side. He has mouth movement on his inner face, his evil face, and his friendly face cracks open to reveal the evil, bloody, fleshy, skeleton, zombie-like face. It is so cool. Yeah, this is literally like one of the most unique clowns ever, and he's up there. He's up there in my top favorite clown animatronics of all time. I am so excited for Crackles. I am so excited to get him in the mail. I'm pretty much speechless. Sorry, I can't even talk. This is my favorite from Spirit Halloween's lineup this year so far. Obviously, we haven't seen everything yet, but I don't know if that'll change. I'm not even sure if Freddy Fazbear will top this guy for me personally. I don't even know. I really like Crackles. Of course, I had to order him. And let's get to his phrases. So his phrases, obviously, he's supposed to be a friendly, vintage clown. So obviously his phrases, his regular voice for, his friendly clown face is, pretty goofy and pretty friendly. But once he reveals his evil face, his voice completely changes and becomes menacing and frightening. And I love that. it's like he turns from his good side to the dark side, and I just really love it. I cannot express how much I love Crackles. He is such a good clown animatronic. And first of all, I'd like to get this out of the way really quick. I think this year, in terms of clowns for Spirit Halloween, they're through the roof. I think Wind Up Wally is better than Bullseye from last year. I think Carnival Creeper is better than Headcase Harry from last year. And I think Crackles is definitely better than Monkey Business from last year. Spirit has done pretty good with clown props this year for 2026. I am really happy. Crackles, what a good clown prop. What an amazing, unique idea. And what a great execution. There's nothing bad I have to say about Crackles. Literally, there's nothing. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed me rambling about why I freaking think Crackles is the best clown animatronic of the year. And yeah, he's definitely my favorite Spirit Halloween animatronic of the year so far. But like I said, Freddy Fazbear, he might top this, but I don't honestly know, to be honest. I have a feeling this guy's going to stay at the top for me. So, yeah, I really can't wait to get this guy in the mail. That is Crackles. I'm going to rate him a 9.5 out of 10. I am literally rating him a 9.5 out of 10. So close to being a 10 out of 10. The only reason I'm not rating him a 10 out of 10 is because there's really no such thing as a 10 out of 10 prop, in my opinion. I don't ever want to rate something that high. But yeah, Crackles, I'm rating Crackles a 9.5 out of 10. I can't wait to get him and unbox him and set him up and review him for you guys because, oh boy, this is such a unique clown animatronic. I am just so excited. And now I'm talking more and making this video longer. So I'm sorry. Yeah, 9.5 out of 10 for Crackles. Really good clown prop. He's amazing. Comment down below what you think of Crackles. If you like him, then yeah. If you say you hate him, then I will get a restraining order and you will not be allowed to comment on my YouTube channel for the rest of your life. Okay? No, I'm kidding. But you're allowed to have your own opinions in the comments down below, obviously. I respect all opinions. But come on, guys. Come on. It's Crackles. He's freaking amazing, in my opinion. So yeah, 9.5 out of 10 for Crackles. If you guys did enjoy this episode of Spirit Halloween 2026 Sneak Peeks, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.